Want to grow your stash portfolio faster? Here are 5 quick tips that actually work. First, invest consistently. Set up a auto stash to invest a fixed amount weekly or monthly. Even $5 at a time adds up to thanks to compound growth. Second, reinvest your dividends. Don't cash them out. Let them buy more shares automatically. That's free money working for you. Third, diversify smartly. Don't put everything into one stock. Use ETFs to spread your risk while still getting solid returns. Fourth, take advantage of stock back rewards. Use a stash debit card for everyday purchases and earn stock automatically. It's low key but builds over time. And fifth, level up your plan when ready. The higher tier stash plan gives access to retirement accounts and custodial investing. Great tools if you're playing the long game. Stick to these and you'll see steady growth, even if you're starting small. Like and subscribe for more tips on building wealth with beginner friendly tools. Got questions? Well, drop them in the comments and I got you.